Hi everyone, hi everybody, hi all the viewers. Welcome to Teacher on Palm YouTube channel. In this part of the video, we are going to discuss about the question and answers for Noble Bishop. As it is already said that part 1 and part 2 contained explanation, analysis, discussion and for examples, and part 3, that is this part, goes with question and answers of Noble Bishop. Let's move on to the question and answer part. Who was Jean Valjean? Jean Valjean was a convict. Who brought the silver candlesticks from the mantle? Baptistine brought the silver candlesticks from the mantle. What did the stranger steal from the bishop's place? The stranger stole the silverware from the bishop's place. Why was Jean Valjean surprised at the bishop's behavior the next morning? Jean Valjean was surprised at the bishop's behavior the next morning because, despite his act of stealing, the bishop addressed him as a friend before the policeman and also told him that he had given him the silverware. Why was Jean Valjean finally set free? Bishop told the sergeant that it was he had given the silverware to Jean Valjean, and this is why he was finally set free. What did Jean Valjean promise the bishop? Jean Valjean promised the bishop that he would become an honest man. What do you think were Jean Valjean's feelings when he was called friend? Nobody had addressed Jean Valjean friend so affectionately. When the bishop addressed Jean as friend, he was touched by it and said that the bishop was a great soul. He also thanked the bishop. Why did Jean Valjean say that he was a beast? Jean Valjean was sentenced for 19 years in the galleys for stealing some bread. The punishment was harsh and he was ill treated. He was chained up like a wild animal and lashed like a hound, which made him like a beast. What kind of a person was the bishop? The bishop was a kind man with a heart of gold. Why did Jean Valjean hesitate to steal the silverware at first? Jean Valjean thought that the bishop might be aware, so he hesitated to steal the silverware at first. Was there any change in Jean Valjean's attitude when he left the bishop? What was the change? Jean Valjean did have a restless conscience of committing a crime of stealing from such kind-hearted person's home, but then he did steal. Later in the story, we come to see that there is a huge change in Jean Valjean when the bishop advised him to be an honest man. Describe the sufferings of Jean Valjean. Jean Valjean stole some bread and for that he was punished for his act. He was sentenced for 19 years in the galleys. It was those 19 years of hell for him. There he was chained like a wild animal. He was lashed like a hound. He was fed on filth in those years. His name and soul was taken away in those brutal years, which made him a beast. He was called by his number and not name. He was a man once, but the ill treatment made him a beast. He suffered to hell in those 19 years. Explain how the bishop reacted when Jean Valjean was brought before him by the police. Jean Valjean stole the silverware from the bishop's house. He was then caught by the police. They brought him to the bishop. Instead of reacting in a rude way, the bishop addressed him as a friend. He told the sergeant that he gave the silverware to Jean. The bishop was a kind and soft-hearted man who not only saved Jean from getting arrested but also changed him. After his act of kindness, Jean Valjean became an honest man. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Write T or F in the following accordingly. Jean Valjean was in the galleys only for a few years. All the people were kind to Jean Valjean. The bishop woke up in the middle of the night. Baptistine said that the the silver was stolen. The silverware belonged to Jean Valjean. Let us take one by one. This is the question given. Jean Valjean was in galleys only for a few years. False. All the people were kind to Jean Valjean. False. The bishop woke up in the middle of the night. False. Baptistine said that silver was stolen. True. The silverware belonged to Jean Valjean. False. Infer the meaning of the underlined words from the context. You can choose the right word from those given in brackets. Jean Valjean pleaded with the police and said that he was not guilty. Requested, fought, argued. And in the second, he fed on filth for 19 years. Bread, dirty food, fish. The bishop slept tranquilly, fast, quickly, peacefully. He stood terrified at this radiant figure, frightened, shining, dim. The moral world has no greater spectacle than this scenery glasses sight. Let us take first one. Jean Valjean pleaded with the police and said that he was not guilty. Answer for this one is requested. Pleaded, instead of pleaded, it is selected requested. He fed on filth for 19 years. Bread, dirty food, fish. For filth, dirty food. The bishop slept tranquilly, fast, quickly, peacefully. Peacefully. He stood terrified at this radiant figure, frightening, shining, dim. Shining. The moral world has no greater spectacle than this. For spectacle, scenery, glasses, sight. That is sight. Task 1. Match the following words with their homophones. Bread, through, right, night, seen. And here in the another part, night, seen, bread, right, through. Let us take for bread, homophone for bread, bread, B-R-E-D. The same sound. B-R-E-A-D and B-R-E-D follows the same sound. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, through. Right, right. Night, night. K-N-I-G-H-T, night. Seen, seen. Okay. Find the homophones for the following words. Wait, sell, waste, fair. Pray. Wait for wait. That is first wait, ಕಾಯುವುದು. Second wait, ತೂಕ. Sell, sell. Sell animal cell, plant cell. ಇದು sell means ಮಾರೋದು. Business related word. Waste, waste. Fair, fair. Pray, pray. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರೇ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೇ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡೋದು. Prepare a list of 5 words under each head with the letter R in the beginning, in the middle and at the end. Pronounce them. Verify with the help of a dictionary. Here, R in the beginning, R in the middle, R at the end. Let us write on. Read, read, rose, write, rat. R is starting letter, no? and it is pronounced read, red, rose, right, rat. R in the middle, bright, straight, fruit, throat, first. R at the end, roar, bore, rear, care, near. Task 4. Jean Valjean led the life of an honest man. In this sentence, H is silent when the word honest is pronounced. H is silent in the following words: honor, R, rhyme, vehicle, exhibit. Write a few more words in which the letter H is silent. Light, might, sigh, height, night, brought. Read the following sentences taken from the lesson. Say what function each model serves in the sentence. Choose from the option given. You may be tired. Options are granting permission, expressing possibility, offering. We can let him go. Granting permission, expressing possibility, offering. You can take these candlesticks. Granting permission, expressing possibility, offering. You may go in peace. Granting permission, expressing possibility, offering. Yes, let us take. You may be tired. Expressing possibility. We can let him go. Granting permission. You can take these candlesticks. Offering. You may go in peace. Granting permission. Okay. Read the following dialogue and underline the models used. Patient. May I come in, sir? Doctor. Yes, you may. Patient. I have been suffering from a fever for the past 2 days. Doctor. Did you take any medicine? Patient. No, I didn't. I have got a cold too. Doctor examines the patient. Doctor. Your body temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. You must take medicines for at least 3 days. Patient. Can I attend office? Doctor. You shouldn't. You must take rest. Patient. What about the diet? Doctor. You should be on liquid diet. Patient. Should I see you again? Doctor. You need not. But if the fever persists for more than 3 days, come and see me. Patient. Sure. Doctor. Here is the prescription. Patient. Thank you, sir. Doctor. You are welcome. Here we have to identify the models and underline them. No. Patient. May I come in, sir? May. May is model. Second line. Doctor. Yes, you may. Patient. I have been suffering from fever for the past 2 days. Illavidave modelu. Is there any model in this line? No. Did you take any medicine? No, there is no any model. Patient. No, didn't. I have got a cold too. Doctor examines the patient. Doctor. Your body temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. You must take medicines for at least 3 days. Here, must is a model. Patient. Can I attend office? Can is model. You shouldn't. You must take rest. Must is model. No. What about the diet? No. There is no model in this line. Doctor. You should be on liquid diet. Patient. Should I see you again? Doctor. You needn't. But if your fever persists, if the fever persists for more than 3 days, come and see me. Patient says, sure. Here is the prescription. Patient, thank you, sir. Doctor, you are welcome. Where is the model? Okay, only in that line, doctor. You needn't. Needn't means need not. Only that one. Say whether the following sentences are simple, compound, or complex sentences. We have to divide the sentences into complex sentence, simple sentence, and compound sentence. Sentences are given. The rain stopped, so we decided to continue our journey. When I reached home, I was surprised to see Gopi waiting for me. Ravi raised his voice and shouted at his friend. The teacher advised Uma to study well. As Sumati is blind, the dog is leading her. Let us take first one is the rain stopped. So we decided to continue our journey. Compound sentence no. So is used here. When I reached home, I was surprised to see Gopi waiting for me. This is complex sentence. Meaningful sentences are combined. Ravi raised his voice and shouted at his friend. This is compound sentence and joined both the sentences. The teacher advised Uma to study well. This is simple sentence. As Sumati is blind, the dog is leading her. This is compound sentence. As you should know. Yes. Let's move on for the further topic. Combine the following sentences using the conjunctions given in brackets. He opened his box. He took out his new shirt. And is given in the bracket. We have to add and. Mohan was sick. He stayed at home as. Leela worked hard. She could not do well in the exam, but Sachin scored a century. The spectators applauded him when. Let us have supper. By then your bed will be made ready. While. Okay. Let us take one by one and answer. He opened his box. He took out his new shirt. And is there now? We have to add and. Let us add. Let's use. He opened his box and took out his new shirt. For the second one, Mohan was sick. He stayed at home as. As Mohan was sick, he stayed at home. Leela worked hard. She could not do well in the exam, but Leela worked hard, but she could not do well in the exam. Sachin scored a century. The spectators applauded him. When Sachin scored a century, the spectators applauded him. Let us have supper. By then your bed will be made ready. Let us have supper while your bed is being made ready. Here is an interesting passage on sweet smile. Pick out simple, compound, and complex sentences from the passage. A child smiles not only because it is happy but also because it wants to communicate with loving elders. A cheerful smile brings instant attention. Any grown up is instantly motivated to respond to a smiling child. When a child is hungry, it cries. It hears a few soothing words and stops crying. There is nothing as infectious as a warm smile, even among adults. Sometimes, when serious faces break into a smile, and when the smile of a stranger carries the universal message, I care. Do you like to smile? Yes. Let us divide simple sentences. A cheerful smile brings instant attention. A grown up is instantly motivated to respond to a smiling child. And compound sentences. A child smiles not only because it is happy but also because it wants to communicate with loving elders. It hears a few soothing words and stops crying. Complex sentences. When a child is hungry, it cries. There is nothing as infectious as a warm smile, even among adults. Sometimes, when serious faces break into a smile, and even the smile of a stranger carries the universal message. This is the answer for the passage. This is all question and answers about and for the lesson Noble Bishop. All the question and answers are ended. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, share and like. I request you to subscribe once again. Your subscription make me more enthusiastic to create some more worthy videos. Okay, thank you. Thank you all of you, all the best. Make use of the video. This is the intention that you should use this video and secure very good marks. Once again, thank you all.